Welcome to Health is Wealth, where we explore the wonders of nature's bounty for our health and well-being. Today, we're diving into the vibrant world of pomegranates, specifically their juice, to uncover the incredible health benefits that this fruit has to offer. Packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, pomegranate juice is more than just a refreshing drink, it's a powerhouse of nutrients that can boost your health in numerous ways. Join us as we explore the science-backed benefits of pomegranate juice and how it can enhance your overall well-being. First, immune system support. Pomegranate juice contains a good amount of vitamin C, which is known to boost the immune system. Vitamin C stimulates the production of white blood cells, which are key to fighting off infections. By enhancing the immune response, pomegranate juice may help reduce the severity and duration of common illnesses like the flu. This makes it a potentially valuable addition to the diet, especially during cold and flu season. Heart health. Several studies suggest that the antioxidants found in pomegranate juice can have a positive impact on heart health. These antioxidants may help lower blood pressure by improving the function of the cells lining the blood vessels, which can lead to reduced stiffness in the arteries and lower resistance to blood flow. Additionally, pomegranate juice may reduce cholesterol levels, particularly LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol, and prevent the buildup of plaque in the arteries. These effects can lower the risk of heart disease and improve overall cardiovascular health. Bone health. Pomegranate juice contains certain compounds that may benefit bone health. It has been suggested that pomegranate juice can promote bone formation by stimulating the activity of cells responsible for bone growth. Additionally, it may reduce bone loss by inhibiting the activity of cells that break down bone tissue. These effects could potentially lower the risk of osteoporosis, a condition characterized by weak and brittle bones. Memory and brain health. Preliminary studies have suggested that pomegranate juice may have positive effects on memory and cognitive function. The antioxidants in pomegranate juice may help protect brain cells from damage caused by free radicals, which can contribute to cognitive decline. Additionally, pomegranate juice may improve blood flow to the brain, which is important for maintaining cognitive function. While more research is needed to fully understand the effects of pomegranate juice on memory and brain health, these initial findings are promising and suggest that pomegranate juice may be beneficial for brain health. Cancer prevention. Pomegranate juice contains powerful antioxidants, particularly polyphenols like punicalagins and anthocyanins, which have been studied for their potential role in cancer prevention. These antioxidants may help protect cells from damage and inhibit the growth of cancer cells. Some studies suggest that pomegranate juice can induce apoptosis, or programmed cell death, in cancer cells, which is a natural process that helps prevent the spread of cancer. While more research is needed, these findings indicate that pomegranate juice may have a protective effect against certain types of cancer. Skin benefits. Pomegranate juice is rich in vitamin C, which is essential for collagen production, a protein that helps maintain skin elasticity and firmness. Collagen also helps repair damaged skin cells and improve overall skin texture. The antioxidants in pomegranate juice can help protect the skin from damage caused by UV rays and environmental pollutants, which can lead to wrinkles and other signs of aging. Regular consumption of pomegranate juice may help improve skin health, reduce wrinkles, and promote a radiant complexion. As we wrap up, it's clear that pomegranate juice is more than just a tasty drink. It's a powerhouse of nutrients that can benefit your health in numerous ways. Incorporating pomegranate juice into your diet may just be the refreshing change your health needs. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on health and wellness. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.